Some tips about making lo-fi beats. Experiment with chord progressions. Explore different chord progressions to create a sense of emotion and mood in your music. Minor chords and seventh chords are commonly used in lo-fi for their smooth and jazzy qualities. Sample selection. Experiment with different samples, particularly from jazz, soul, and old records. Use snippets of melodies, chords, or vocals to create a nostalgic and textured atmosphere. Slow tempo and laid-back grooves. Lo-fi music typically features slow tempos and laid-back grooves. Experiment with drum patterns that have a relaxed feel and contribute to a chill vibe. Lo-fi effects. Apply effects such as saturation, tape emulation, and reverb to achieve a lo-fi sound. These effects can add warmth and character to your instruments and overall mix. Use of vinyl sounds and field recordings. Incorporate vinyl sounds, ambient noises, or field recordings to add depth and atmosphere to your tracks. These elements contribute to the lo-fi aesthetic. For the main melody, I threw in some seventh chords, starting with a seventh chord on the root note and then hitting a seventh chord on the first degree. For piano, I used Addictive Keys and Old Meditation preset. This preset has all the things you want from a lo-fi piano, a warm and jazzy sound with vinyl noise in the background. The 𝗫𝗠𝗏 plugin is like the rock-solid foundation of a lo-fi music fortress. 𝗫𝗠𝗏 is used to warm up the sound and create a wobble effect in the audio. Think of using an EQ as the sound sculptor in your mix, chiseling away those harsh tones and cranking up the warmth in the low-mid section to bring in that cozy, inviting vibe. And a reverb like no other. Trust me, tweak those knobs and you'll hit your desired reverb destination for sure. For key, I needed a sound that's got that high-frequency goodness without any of the annoying sharpness. So I used this 𝗠𝗏 preset. For this key sound, just an EQ is enough to cut that low and high sounds. I just needed a wide and dreamy sound to round out the vibe for this beat's melody. Just the perfect touch to complete the cloudiness of this beat. Like the previous sound, just need one EQ. Mixing skills shine when you only need the bare minimum of plugins to clean up the sound. And the lo-fi realm, no need for those big, distorted bass hits. Just a smooth and simple sound does the trick, and I thought the 𝗣𝗏𝗏 was the best choice. A simple drum with dirty and old sounds. And finally, sprinkle in some texture, whether it's the sound of rain, nature, or analog noise. It adds that extra touch to the mix.